So in this video, I am going to explain how you can make a playlist on your YouTube channel. Firstly, go to your YouTube channel and get into the YouTube Studio dashboard. After that, click the Create button here and you will see the New Playlist option. Select that. A Create New Playlist dialog box will appear and here you can add your playlist name, description, visibility, etc. For example, my playlist title name is YouTube Keyword Tools and here I am adding by description with detailed context. Also, make sure to inject your target keywords in the description, which helps the YouTube algorithm to pull your playlist up in the suggested videos. Here in my channel, I always use the TubeBuddy tool, which helps me find my target keywords, analyzing what my competitor user keywords, etc. If you want to try it out TubeBuddy, then you can use the link in the description. Well, after that, select the video visibility and if it is public only, everyone can view it. Here, you can see the option called Video Order. You can choose any of these options and the playlist will be displayed to audiences based on your selection order. Generally, I prefer to use the manual sorted in YouTube option because YouTube knows the audience's pulse better than I do. So, once you have completed all the mentioned settings, select Add Videos and choose the videos you want in this playlist. You can also create an empty playlist if you have an idea of adding a new videos in the future. And finally, select the Create button. It is simple to create a playlist, but it impacts and provides a better result for your channel views. Most importantly, YouTube also provides analytics based on playlist level, which provides better insights about your playlist performance. That's it guys. In the comment section, let me know if you have any doubts or clarifications. Thank you.